Hi guys, Vanquished Angel here again. And this is another energy tip. And I'm going to kind of show you something here. I have a ceiling fan there. That looks kind of cool in that camera actually. That ceiling fan is almost always going. If my heat's on, it's going. If my air is on, it's going. And I'm going to explain why. Now first off, I bought this fan. I had to buy it at Walmart. The previous fan when I moved in here was broken. Now there's a little switch on the side of these fans. You won't be able to see it unless maybe I block the light a bit, but and it's on the back side anyway. But that little switch changes the direction of the fan. So I'm going to hit it, and you're going to see the fan stop, and then it's going to go the other direction. Now watch which way the blades are facing, because now it's going this way, right? And so the top part, this upper part here is going, and then this lower part here is behind, so it's going that way, right? That's good for the summer. In the winter, or when your heat is on, it's not supposed to be winter now, but it still gets kind of cold, you want it going the other way. You want the fan blowing up towards the ceiling. Now the reason why you want that is because, there you go, in the winter time your heat's going to be on and the fan is going to suck the cold air up from the floor and push the warm air out down the walls. This evens out the temperature in the room and allows your furnace to actually operate more efficiently. So that's most important to do in the room with the thermostat. So that's why fans are actually wonderful to have in both summer and winter. In the winter, they reduce your heating costs and actually increase comfort. In the summer, you switch the fan to blow down on you and it decreases your cooling cost. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.